Jam.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Christina.
It's your boy Jules.
Welcome back to Korean Jules Life. It's our
9th anniversary.
9th year anniversary.
Let's get it. Let's get it.
Alright, so for this weekend, we're staying in Burlington at the
Archer Hotel.
The Archer Hotel. It's so nice. Like, it was an easy process for check-in.
For the low too.
Yeah, I think the total for the weekend was like 2 something.
Yeah.
2 something.
Might spend the day.
And they leave like $50 a day, like as a whole, just in case like you mess up the room or something. I don't know. Just go look it up. It's called Archer Hotel in Burlington, Mass.
Yep.
It's not too far from the city if you're coming from out of state. It's a bit far if you actually are coming from out of state and you want to see the city. Other than that, there's stores all around here. There's the mall. So we're here for the weekend, and yeah, Julian brought his PS5.
She's a little mad, but I don't care.
Oh, you have to put Disney Plus so I can watch Hannah Montana. I cut my hair. I did my nails.
My shit laid.
I'm kidding. Alright, so do you guys want a room tour? No? Okay.
Yes, we're ready anyways. So let's go. Welcome to MTV.
Wait, let me put my chops on.
Welcome to MTV crib. Welcome to my crib. What's up, y'all?
This is not the hotel. This is our.
We got PS5s. We got bread. We got Twinkies.
That's not Twinkies.
What y'all want to get? We gotta bring y'all on a nice, beautiful tour. Let's do it. Oh, yeah.
Let's start from the back door.
Yo, my skin looking very black and righteous. Let me say it again for people in the back. I look very black and righteous. Let's go.
Who could that be during this pandemic? I don't want no visitors. Who is it? Oh my gosh, it's Jules from Ill Addicts.
Yo, chill. Tell my girl.
Really, Julian?
Okay, so now we're gonna show the room now. So here we have the room.
Stop, Julian. Now you forcing it.
How come I feel talking, bro? Like dead ass, bro.
All right, so you just walk through the. I was about to say driveway.
Walk through the driveway, yeah, sure.
Okay, so that was. What is this? Oh my gosh, show them the chandelier.
Oh, I never even peeped that.
Chandelier.
Oh shit.
Looks like we're in the country.
Now we're going.
Alright, let's go. Alright, so over here you have like a little kitchenette. So what we did was got the deluxe junior suite. It has a kitchen. It's a little kitchenette, so it has a little sink. It has a microwave. It has a small fridge. Like, you know, if you went to college, you got that little fridge in your dorm.
Okay. On to the next.
It got some high top
we got Fiji. We don't do Fiji. $7. Hold up.
It's blurry. They don't care about the price.
Alright, Julie, oh, my friends, y'all don't care.
Alright, so this is very beautiful. I might take this home.
Take it.
You think?
Take it.
I'm just kidding. But it's a coffee machine.
Okay.
I think Elaine has this actually.
Wrap it up then.
Alright, so here we have granite countertops. This is just a little desk area. Julian won't be sitting here because he ain't got no business, you know, this weekend. So he can't be on his laptop, right, Julian?
No.
So over here you have this beautiful mirror.
What a beautiful girl.
Okay, you see it. Okay, so then we have this right here. We have all the passports in here. Come take a look. We have all the money. Okay. We got this. He got this from the flea market.
Oh, we got the snacks.
TV. Oh, my fault. We got the snacks. Oh, here's a little promo. This, my friend Yuritsa, she bakes. She has a business and she does cookies. We're gonna have to do a review, okay, Julian? Alright, Julian freaking bought these.
You definitely bought like a whole $5. Okay.
All right, then we have this beautiful couch. This is
Velvet.
yeah, but who's the brand? Just make one up.
Goodwill.
Tom Hanks. Then
Okay.
Tom Hanks is a freaking actor. All right, then we have this. This is a queen, but I'm gonna be on Julian's side, so I'm gonna have mad space tonight. I don't know about you, Julian, but then you know we have to bring these on deck. And then we have a view of the beach.
Okay.
All right.
You can't go out.
Oh my God, we forgot the last thing. The bathroom.
Oh shit. Go ahead.
Back up, bro. Ooh, then this way, that way, this way. Be careful with my shoes, please. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Joe, look at this.
Okay.
All right, so I opened the door, right? You think the lights are gonna go on?
No.
What?
You could do that?
Yes. Look at this. I need this feature in my future closet. You're gonna have a small closet?
We saw it focus a little bit. Sorry.
Are you serious? The whole time?
No.
All right, so
You're good now. You're good now.
I want you guys.
I'm cutting my finger though.
All right, come over here. Come over here. All right, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Right? It's just a wall, right? It's just a door. What do you think is behind here?
Kitchen?
We just saw the kitchen. You could have just said a bigger closet or something.
Sorry.
What the fuck is that? Hello? All right, just kidding. This is the bathroom. I'm scared. This place is haunted. All right, so you see it. This is a great shower. We can both fit in here. We have this, you know. Show them the amenities.
Show them down. Whoa. Show them how Christina already got things dirty. Yeah.
My bad. I had to use the bathroom. Alright, and then here is the toilet. You know we gotta close the door when Julian comes.
Christina, really? No.
What? Back up so this is the whole thing. You look at the door?
Like, it looks like a closet, one of the 90s closets.
Yeah, so you can just easily, you know, close the door. Kind of tight, because look at, your leg can't even fit. Look, show them down here. It's kind of tight. Oh, hey, it just took a doo-doo.
That's it.
And then, yeah, that's it. Turn the lights off if you're not using it, you know, save electricity.
We good? Yep.
And
that's it. And that's it. So we're gonna end it right here for you guys. We're gonna look at some food, some nice food. Food.
June, we just ate.
Cool. So we're gonna head out of here. We're gonna walk around a little bit.
We're not gonna bring our camera though.
Yeah, we're not gonna bring our camera. We're gonna chill out. But for now, it was good seeing y'all. But guess what? Y'all gotta get the hell out of my crib. So let's go. Let's go.
Look at the slippers they gave us.
You gotta go.
Oh.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Wait. Can I get your autograph? Can I?